Hey guys, welcome to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. Friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. My today's video is again in the continuation of my previous videos, into which I have been sharing a very beautiful, a very creative, artistic and stylish design ideas of hand embroidered outfits for girls. Yes friends, all of these outfits are extremely stylish, girlish outfits with a very beautiful combination of dark color shirts, that is black, blue, gray, bottle green and darkest shades of gray, and with a very decent and elegant lighter shades like white, off-white, beige, aqua, denim colors, and some more beautiful patterns that would give a very beautiful look to your office outfits. All of these are handmade, hand embroidered dresses. All of them are highly designer shirts embroidered with some very beautiful and creative funky persons like a giraffe, like a house, hand painted, thread painting like hand embroidered on your shirts, front necklines, back necklines, and all of these designs are absolutely favorable for summer outfits, office outfits, and as well as for intermix season outfits and winter outfits as well. So if you really like these design patterns, if you are an embroidery beginner or you are an embroidery artist or a lover, then kindly do try these patterns. And if you want to get more stylish, trendy about fashion, sense, styling and designing related to women, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And hope to see you soon back in my channel, but you don't forget to subscribe and like. See you soon back in my new content, in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.